Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the QR itself. Choose a short URL and export a high-contrast PNG or SVG at 300 dpi so scanners read reliably. Once done, pick your substrate, shrink plastic for a DIY feel or acrylic blanks for durability, and set the output size to 1.020 inches. Make a clear mark for the hole about 0.20 inches from the edge. This lets you punch or cut without compromising the code. Begin printing or preparing the cutter now. You now focus on precision. Resize to exact final dimensions and vectorize when using a laser cutter. Otherwise, print on high-quality sticker paper at 100% scale. If using shrink plastic, follow the bake temperature and timing precisely. Watch for even shrink to avoid warping. Once pieces are cut or baked, lightly sand edges and apply a protective coating, thin resin, spray lacquer, or clear epoxy. Importantly, test scan after each major step to confirm scannability and correct any scale or contour. You finish by sealing and assembling. Pour a thin coat of UV resin or epoxy and cure it fully, then insert a jump ring and attach the keychain hardware. Once assembled, test scan with several phones and under different lights to confirm reliability. Make sure the hole placement never cuts into key matrix areas. If a scan fails or the finish is cloudy, sand the coated surface lightly, reapply a thin clear coat, and if needed, boost contrast by reprinting the QR at slightly larger size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.